Hello and welcome to a minifig Monday, but it is on a Tuesday. And right now it is currently raining really hard, so I don't know if you could actually hear me, but this minifig Monday, I'm gonna do the ice cream guy from video. Now if you're not familiar with video, it was a weird theme that they had going on at the time, but it did not go so good. I found the theme pretty interesting. The minifigures were cool, but most people did not like it because you had to like scan things and play it on the app, kind of like hidden side. And right now Lego does not have any themes where you have to have a phone to do it. I just like the Lego sets as Lego sets. I never download the hidden side app. I never download the video theme app. This was my first and only video minifigure, and it looks really cool. It came from my CMF. I was wanting the second CMF, but I could not find it anywhere because at that time I think it just kind of retired right when Series 2 came out. Oh my, it's raining really hard. It's like, let's keep it going. But I got this guy at Target, I think. I was like, oh, I didn't expect that to be here, and that was the only time I seen it. I did not see it at Walmart. I did not see it any other times I went to Target, just the only time, so maybe it was a good thing that I went there and just got this guy. He does have some, hold on, his head is hiding some of his toys, so you can see some candy straps. Same with the front, we got the arms. I think they're both the same.